thumbs up and a green light. Let's kick finals match number 2 off in 3, 2, 1, go!
The second and possibly final match of Belton District 2026 starts off with a crash in the middle of the field as Robo-Wranglers and Appreciate try to fill their robots with fuel. Looks like Robo-Wranglers is a little bit stuck, but they managed to fire into the Red Alliance hub. Team Appreciate also firing into the Red Alliance hub. On the blue side of the field, Full Metal Jackets scoring for the Blue Alliance. Robo-Wranglers fires again in those last few seconds before the red hub goes inactive. Team Appreciate follows them. Full Metal Jackets firing in the Blue Alliance hub. Pastabots trying to feed their partners. Rebellion trying to find somewhere to be. They go from feeding fuel to the Blue Alliance to trying to slow down Appreciate. Robo-Wranglers methodically eating up all of the fuel in the middle of the neutral zone. Full Metal Jackets firing some last-minute shots into the Blue Alliance hub. Both Appreciate and Robo-Wranglers raining down fuel on the red side of the field as Pastabots tries to clean up the neutral zone and feed it to the blue side. Rebellion and Full Metal Jackets trying to slow down Robo-Wranglers, but they just can't make a difference. Appreciate unloading their robot onto the Red Alliance hub. As we shift over to the Blue Alliance, some fuel exits the field as Robo-Wranglers tries to aim it to the Red Alliance hub. Pastabot scoring for the Blue Alliance. Robo-Wranglers once again reloading the Red Alliance zone. Let me hear it if you want the Red Alliance to win and end this finals round. Let me hear it if you want a tiebreaker from the Blue Alliance. Appreciate reloading as their partners Robo-Wranglers feeds into the Red Alliance hub. Appreciate lines up on the Red Alliance tower. They shoot, they score. Full Metal Jackets interfering with Robo-Wranglers, trying to keep them from aligning. 30 seconds left in the match. Both hubs are active as Full Metal Jackets moves back to their side of the field along with Pastabots trying to fill up the Red Alliance hub. Pastabots coming out a little undercooked. See if Full Metal Jackets can make it the full distance. They do and then some. But they readjust and their fuel goes straight into the Blue Alliance hub. Pastabots taking another shot and redeeming themselves. Team Appreciate on the Red Alliance field in the last 3 seconds with Robo-Wranglers filling up the Red Alliance hub as the match comes to an end. Alliance victory. Introducing your 2026 First in Texas Belton District Champions, the Red Alliance teams 148 Robo-Wranglers, 5503 Tigertrons, and your Alliance Captain 2468, Team Appreciate. Let's have a huge round of applause for the Blue Alliance. Teams 9418 Pastabots, 1014 Rebellion, 10,014 Rebellion, and your Alliance Captain 1296 Full Metal Jackets.